Hi, since the beginning, we have been discussing that conversion tracking is very important in order to build successful strategies, right? And in order to review how our performance is looking, right? So, as part of conversion tracking, we have two types of codes. One is Google tag that you should install on each and every page of your website, and another is event snippet tag that you should be installing on the conversion that you wanted to track or the action that you wanted to track, right? So let's see. And in the event snippet, you have two kinds of codes. One is page load and another is click snippet. So whatever we have discussed till now since the beginning is with respect to page load only, right? So when a user comes into our website and when he completes his purchase, he lands into the final thank you page. What we do? We place page load event snippet on the final thank you page so that when he completes his payment, he lands into the final thank you page. And when that thank you page will get loaded, along with it, that event snippet code will be activated. When this code is activated, this code will send the data to the Google Ads. What is the conversion and what is the conversion value of the purchase, right? So this is about the page load. That means this event snippet code will be activated whenever that page gets loaded. So I hope you are understanding. So similarly, we can also track the clicks that are happening on our website. Okay, let's say you wanted to track a particular click on your website. So you can track it with the help of click tracking snippets. So in this lesson, we see how to implement this click tracking for our Google Ads account. Okay, and in click tracking, again, we have two types of clicks, right? One is link click and another is button click. So we see how to implement this click tracking, right? So let's go to Google Ads. Let's create one conversion action here. So go to summary and in conversion action, so go to website. Let's scan the website. Okay, let's take this website. Nice. Okay, copy and paste. Scan. First, it will look for global site tag and add a conversion action. Let's take this as a sign up. Okay, or let's just a click, right? Just take it as a outbound click. Okay, and keep it as a primary. It is up to you what you wanted to keep this conversion action, either primary or secondary, based on the strategy you are building, right? So it is click tracking. So let's say this is the website that we wanted to implement this click tracking, right? So in this website, let's say let's take this. I wanted to implement a click here on this paid search. Okay, so let's see for any of the post. Okay. So let's take this post. So here I am taking this into another tab. So whenever a user clicks, right, whenever a user clicks on paid search here on the home page, he will be landing into this search engine marketing post, right? So I wanted to track how many clicks are coming to this paid search click. Okay, I wanted to track this paid search click as a conversion. How will I do it? So let's see how to implement it. Okay, so this conversion click tracking is similar to whatever you wanted to track. Either you wanted to track for any of the click present in your blog post, or if you want to track any of the button like sign up button, like subscribe buttons, there will be some buttons, right? So call buttons. So if you wanted to track those buttons also, you can do it from Google Ads in the same process. Okay. So here I am taking this as click tracking paid search, right? So here the word is paid search. So use conversion value. Let's use same conversion value because this is static, right? So I want only one. That means one user, one click, then one conversion only will be recorded. If he clicks, if you want to record it as a multiple times, then you can go for the every. But I suggest go for the one because for one user it will be counted as a one click only. How many times if he clicks, it will be counted as one only. Okay. So here everything I am leaving as it is and click on done. So here you need to install these codes. Okay, just save and continue. You see here in this event snippet, this is the Google tag that you should be installing in each and every page of your website, right? And this is the event snippet that you should be placing only on the conversion page, that is either in the final thank you page if it is a page load, or if it is a click. Let's see. So in the event snippet you have two options, one is page load and another is click. So if it is a page load, you have to place it on the final thank you page, or whatever the final page it is, or whatever the um, conversion you wanted to track, you have to place it on the page. Okay, whenever that page gets loaded, this event snippet code will be triggered, right? So for click tracking, this is the snippet for click tracking. So this has to be placed where that uh, word that you wanted to track is present. Let's say, so in this case I want to place, or I should place this event snippet, click event snippet, in this page, in the home page only, because in home page only, right, this click is present, this link is present. So wherever this link that you wanted to track is present, in that page you have to place the click snippet. Okay, so here I will be placing this click snippet in all the pages, because uh, so I can track it or I can implement it easily, or you can use some plugins, okay, in order to place only on the particular pages, right? So here I am not using any plugins. I am just going into the theme file editor and place it into the header.php. Okay, so just copy. First we implement this Google tag setup. So here what I am doing, I'm going into the backend of this website. Okay, and this is the Google tag, right? So instructions, install manually, copy this code. I am copying this code. This is the backend of this website. Either you can use some plugins that are available in the WordPress, or you can customize, or you can add these codes in the theme file editor. So if you are confused, don't implement it. You can take the help of your website developers, right? You see here it is the header.php. So let's see. So it is asking us to place it immediately after the head element, right? So just paste it here. Okay, we have pasted it here. And next is the event snippet. See the event snippet. So here it should be placed in the head section only, pasted in between head tags, the page you would like to track. Okay, copy this one, right? I am placing it in the theme file editor only. Okay, here I am pasting, paste. Okay, so again I am telling you, this event snippet need not to be present on all the pages. It should be present only on the page where that click is present. Here if I place it in the theme file editor, it will be appearing in the all pages. I am not using any of the plugins, so I am implementing it here because there won't be any difference. So if you wanted to track only, or if you wanted to place only on a particular page, in that case you can use different plugins that are available on this WordPress. Like you can use header footer injection plugin. Like this, there are different plugins available. You can use it, or you can take the help of your website developer in order to implement this snippet, right? So just I have added this in the theme file editor only, so that it will be applied for all the website, and just update. That's it. You have implemented your event snippet, that is the conversion tracking codes. Just close. Okay, and done. So now what you have to do, there is one more step that you have to complete. Okay, in order to track clicks, two steps are very important. One, you have to place the event snippet that we have already done, and another is you have to define which is the click that you wanted to track, right? Let's say in this website, so this is the page, right, that we are tracking now. Here there are many clicks, right? So here this is a one more click, and this is one more click, and if you see at the bottom also we have different clicks, right? So Google does not know what is the click that it wants to track. So here you wants to define, we have to define what is the click that you wanted to track. I hope you are understanding. So here what we have assumed here, we wanted to track this paid search click, right? So we have to define this is the click that I wanted to track. So whenever user clicks on this, it will be recorded as a conversion. Okay, so let's define it. So this is before that, before defining, I suggest you to go and read this article that is available in the Google Ads. You just copy this one headline, or you can type this track clicks on your website as conversions on Google. So this article, I suggest you to go through this article so that you will have an idea. Okay, so here we have different codes that are available, right? So this is the third one here. This is the code that you have to place if you are using an A tag, okay, for the link text. And this is the code that you have to place for a button, right? And this is the code that you have to place for button image. So based on the click, or based on the click type you wanted to track, you can copy or you can modify this code according to the requirement. Let's see here how to modify it. So this is the A tag that I am using currently, or that I will be using now. Okay, so let's see. So this is the one, right? Here we wanted to, this is just a text now. Okay, we want to convert it into a click. Let's convert it, right? Going into the edit with Elementor. So this is the one, right, that we wanted to convert. So go to the text, and here this is the A tag. Okay, that means whenever a user clicks on it, it will be redirected to the this page. Okay, HTML page. You see what is search engine marketing. So whenever a user clicks on the paid search, he will be directed to the this particular post. Okay, so I'm copying this one, and yeah, this is the one, right? So explore the depths of paid search. Here we need to place it. Let's see. um, yeah, here it is, right? Explore the depths of paid search tools with us. So we need to remove it from here, or let's, yeah, explore the depths of paid search. Here you need to remove this one. Nice, right? And paste it here. So see here, right? And just adjust the spaces. Nice. So this is the click that we are tracking now. Just update it. Okay, and let's see. Just type here paid media varsity, and yeah, you see here when I click on it, it is redirecting to the what is search engine marketing post. Now here what I have done, I have just added a link. I didn't added a tracking link. Okay, so this is the tracking link that we have to add. So if you are observing, so this is the link. You have to modify that link like this. Okay, copy this one, and let's observe. Okay, what is the difference? Paste it. So you see here, uh, this is a tag link, and in this a tag link you have to modify this link like this. Then only it will be tracked by Google. Okay, that means you have defined your click. So let's modify, or you can simply copy this link. Okay, copy this and paste it here in the example one. That is why I have suggested you to watch or to read the article that is provided by Google, okay, before implementing this click tracking. And here it is paid search, right? It is paid search. Nice. So what you have to do now, copy this one. Okay, go to theme file editor this time, Let's remove all the code that we have placed previously and paste a new one. That's it. You see, and update. Okay, that's it. We have implemented the code, that is on click attribute, successfully. And I am closing this one. Okay, so let's see once again. So let's click refresh it and click on it. Yeah, it is redirecting successfully. So we have implemented our codes successfully. Let's verify them. Okay, let's verify them. uh, Click tracking, right? Paid search, where is it? Yeah, this is the one. So just troubleshoot it, continue. Okay, paid media varsity, connect. And this is the click, right? When we click on it, here it will show as approved, or everything looks good. Okay, just click on it. You see here a green tick mark has come, and click on finish. Okay, you observe here, you see the status has been changed to no recent conversions. That means we have successfully implemented our conversion tracking for the clicks. Okay, I hope you are understanding the importance and how to implement this click tracking. So we can also implement this click tracking with the help of Google Tag Manager. I am not going into the Google Tag Manager setups because it is little advanced and it is not our concept now. My intention of this lesson now is to understand you that we can also track the conversions of clicks, or we can also track clicks as conversions in Google Ads, so that uh, the Google algorithms in Google Ads can understand better what you want. Okay, so this is the click tracking. So again, I'm telling you, so there are two types of tracking, right? One is page load and another is click. And in the similar way, we can also implement click tracking for the buttons as well. Okay, so here what you have to do is, in the Google article, you see, in the similar way, you have to place this Google tag. Okay, you have to place this Google on click tag to the button. So after placing it, you can again verify it. I hope you are understanding this click tracking and the importance of clicks tracking and how to implement this click tracking. So I suggest you to watch this lesson, okay, so that you will understand it in much better way. We will meet in the next one.